Hey, good morning, everybody. Hope that you are doing well on this kind of cloudy Thursday morning. My name is Rahim. I'm a registered massage therapist, and it's an honor for me to join you all here this morning to do what's hopefully going to be a regular weekly live class or session. Just wanted to start by sharing a few acknowledgements before we get into the session. The session is going to be a guided visualization, and it will be an opportunity to just find some stillness and find some quiet. So as I'm doing the acknowledgements, if you want to start to find your way to a seated position or lying down position or somewhere where it's hopefully a little bit quiet and there's not too many distractions or too much noise, or if there is, just to still try to find a place where you can watch this and have a little bit of space to yourself. So my first acknowledgement is to David Turnbull of TurnFit Personal Trainers, and I just want to share that I'm really grateful for this opportunity to share something with your audience and with your group. Thank you for inviting me to be here today. The second acknowledgement is just to recognize that we are on unceded territory here in British Columbia, and so just gratitude for the fact that we get to be where we get to be right now. The third acknowledgement is for the Earth and the planet that is in a place right now where, due to everything being the way that it is, it's actually getting a chance to rest and to heal and recover a little bit and continue to provide us with nourishment and abundance every single day. And the third acknowledgement is to all of you that are live, that are joining this morning, and to all of you that are going to watch this video. And just thank you for being here, and thank you for being present, and for being involved and participating. And just in terms of where I'm at, this is also a difficult time for me. So as much as I'm taking you through this process, it's very much something that I'm benefiting from as well, having no work at the moment and just going through a tumultuous situation with a personal relationship, and all the things that come with running a small business and trying to stay afloat. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm not this dude who's got his stuff together. I'm just a regular person like you, and hopefully what I have to share provides you with something of value, and I know it's going to provide me with some value as well. So why don't we get started? What we're going to do is just slowly settle into a seated position, and I'm going to do the same as well. I'm going to close my eyes, so I'm not going to necessarily be able to see who's live or what's going on. So if I'm not ignoring you, if I don't acknowledge you, I'm just in the process myself. So why don't we go ahead and get started? So find a comfortable seated or lying position, and just close your eyes, and just bring your awareness to your breathing. So you can do that by putting your hand on your abdomen and your chest, or you can do it by just bringing your mind and your awareness to your breathing mentally. You don't have to worry about any special type of breath. It doesn't have to be deep or heavy. All you're doing is just bringing your awareness to your breathing. And as you bring your awareness to your breathing, we're just going to imagine that in this moment, as we breathe, it's like we're at the surface of the river. So I call this the river meditation or the river visualization. So at the surface of the river, the current is strong, and it's easy to get swept away. So we're at the surface of the river right now, and so what that means is that as you are listening, you are noticing that you're hearing my voice. There might be some other ambient noises around. Maybe there's children or a partner or friends or family in another room or nearby, so you can maybe hear their noises. Maybe you've got some music on in the background. Maybe there's birds. Maybe the wind is blowing. In my case, there's cars driving by, so there's sounds of traffic. And so all we're doing is we're just bringing our awareness to everything around us. And we're not thinking of it as distractions. We're not trying to push it away. We're not trying to do anything right now. We're just noticing. So all you're doing is noticing. So with your breath, just noticing the sounds that are going on outside you. So this is the external awareness that we're bringing to the forefront. Slowly, also as you breathe, bringing your awareness internally and noticing your thoughts. Maybe you're not thinking anything. Maybe there's a little bit of nervousness, a little bit of anxiety, excitement, happiness. Whatever is happening, just notice that you're noticing it. And not getting swept away or carried through by it, just allowing it to be there. So sometimes we tend to conglomerate thoughts and emotions, and that's okay. So whether it's a feeling, whether it's a sensation, maybe there's something happening in your body, maybe you're being drawn to your toe, or your ankle, your knee, maybe your arm, your shoulder, something maybe a little bit uncomfortable. And that's okay. Just let your attention go there and just notice that you're noticing it. So whether it's a thought or an emotion or a sensation or something that feels uncomfortable or painful or sound outside, whatever's happening, just allowing it to stay there and just be there. And as you breathe, with each inhale, I want you to now start bringing your awareness and your attention into your body and where your body's making contact with your chair or couch or floor, wherever you happen to find yourself. And slowly noticing where your body's making contact with the solid object that it's on. And slowly allowing it to soften into your seat or your bed or the floor. There you go. Slowly just allowing your body to arrive, be here, be present, and just melt into the space that it's filling. Okay, and what I'm going to invite you to do slowly as you're breathing is you're going to slowly start imagining that you are sinking a little bit lower in the river, and with each breath you're sinking lower, and with each inhale you're noticing the sounds, the sensations, the thoughts, the emotions, your body touching whatever it's touching. With each exhale, slowly starting to sink lower and lower. We're not worried about drowning. This is just a visualization activity, so we're just going to keep sinking lower into the river. And just keep noticing whatever's happening outside. Now, as we get lower into the river, the cool thing is that once we reach the river bed, is that we're not getting swept away by the current. So yeah, there's noises happening outside. Maybe there's a deadline coming up. There's a thought that you were thinking. There's an emotion or sensation that you're feeling. Whatever it is that's happening, it's flowing. So we're not trying to separate or push away. We're just sinking deeper to find that space inside of us that's still, that's quiet, that does not get pulled by the current of what's happening inside and outside of us, around us. In this place, I'm going to invite you to imagine that it's at the base of your spine. So as we're sinking down to the base of the river, you're sinking down along your spine, right down to your tailbone, and slowly making your way down to your tailbone. And if if you need to visualize what that looks like, it's like a soft, gentle C-shaped curve from back to front. So your tailbone is like a C shape if you're looking at your body sideways from back to front. And you want to bring your awareness down to the base of that tailbone there. And the cool thing is, if once you land there, or you land at the base of the river, you can just imagine that there's a rock there. And the rock is still a part of the river, just like we are still part of everything around us. But the rock does not get swept away by the current, and does not get pulled by everything that's happening around. It's in that place of pure stillness, pure quiet. So just allow yourself to be right there. The base of the river, the riverbed, the base of your spine, tailbone. Maybe a thought's popping into your head, or maybe a sound. Maybe the sound of my voice is distracting or catching you. That's okay. Just notice what you're noticing. Stay down below the base of the river, not getting swept up by the current, or moving just a little bit and coming back again to that place of stillness, that place of quiet, that place of peace. I'm gonna slowly open my eyes. I'm inviting you to keep your eyes closed, and I'm inviting you to just stay where you are. And know that this place of stillness, this place of peace, this place of quiet is available to you anytime throughout your day. You don't have to try hard to get here. You can do this on your own, or you can come back to this video and just use it as a guide to bring you back to this place again. So when you're ready, just notice yourself back in your body again. Notice your body in contact with your seat or the floor or wherever you are, and slowly bringing your attention back to your breath again. Slowly bringing yourself back into the room or into the space again that you are in. And when you're ready, slowly starting to open your eyes. Okay, and that is the guided river visualization. I hope that you found it to be of benefit, and I look forward to guiding you through something a little bit different the next time we meet on Thursday. As you know, this group is hosting several events and classes throughout the week, so feel free to tune in again and check out what it has to offer. It's been an honor to be here with you this morning, and I look forward to joining you here again in a week. Blessings to all of you. Take care.